Hello everybody! I'm Valerie Ducharme, nail artist winner of the Next Top Nail Artist Season 5. I come from Montreal and yes, I'm French Canadian. This year, I discovered the polygel technique, which served as a base for this nail application. The polygel has the advantage of the gel and the texture of the acrylic. It is so easy to file. Do not forget to create your inspiration mood board and make a sketch. To be more structured, you can save time and get a better balance, especially when your nail art is very loaded. Choose your favorite base color. Apply them in a thin layer to avoid creating too much thickness. And, of course, never forget to seal your edges. My new discovery this year is painting with a polish gels. It allows us to create layers of color to obtain amazing depth. To create fading color, shadow, or light, apply with your detail brush a thin line of gel, and with wider brushes, fade gradually. To create stars in the sky, use gold and white acrylic painting. Spray with your fingers. Don't forget to protect the other nails. For the cover of the magazine, I was asked to mix two themes used during NTNA challenge. The first is the Le Chat challenge and the second one is Wildflower challenge. Mix of fading colors and mental chaos. Never forget to cure often when you are satisfied with a line, shadow, or design. That way you will be able to erase what is uncured if you are not satisfied. Do not forget to subscribe to Nails Magazine and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at VD Nail Art. See you soon, my friend!